it's our favorite part again. favorite uh, favorite thing to do, huh? It's unpacking again. Okay, let's see. I ordered what do you call this? I ordered blouse and short. Let's check out if it is good or not, no? Let me see. Dun, 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 dun. Looks nice, the color. I don't remember what the color is this, but it looks like green, no? Green. And of course my favorite color. Yeah. Okay, let's see what's inside. I hope it fits me. It fits me again. I ordered same design but different color. I'm used to do that, no? Oh my gulay. I think it's it's small, but let me fit in. Not stretchable, my gulay. I hope it will fit, no? It's a skirt, skirt and short. Skirt at the same time short. Okay, let me check the the top one. Oh my! Let me try. But the color is good, no? The color is good. And the other one is let's see. I thought it's a stretchable one, but it's not. No. Another skirt. This skirt, you can call this skirt because it's a short and at the same time skirt. I will try later. I will try. Let me try this one and I'll make a video out of this. Okay, let me try. I hope I hope that this skirt and top will fit. Okay, update you later. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.